Got Puka a toy. It's called the Chirping Flapping Sandpiper Bird. Look at it, Puka! Oh! It's not even on yet. Can I turn it on? So you open up the buns, and then... Oh! She loves it! We've been like this for an hour.
You like your toy?
Hey, can I see it? Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I see it? If your cat likes these toys, you need to get your cat this. She's so up and scared. This cat, I don't know what she is, but she's a crackhead.
Yeah, you got your birds inside.
Does anybody else get their cat toys and they only like the box? Look it, it's moving. I literally kicked it out of the way.
She passed out when the bird had to charge. Tongue says it all. But look what? I woke up too.
Puka, off, off. Oh my gosh, out of the sink.
I created a monster.
Naughty!